It's fine. It'll be fine. If it's not fine, we'll also find out, I suppose. Okay, these days I'm only supporting fictional hockey men. And welcome back to the news. Now, welcome back to a cooking video, I guess. Not I guess, it's exactly what it is. I am going to make a cherry chip cake. I have never made a cherry chip cake before. I have never had a cherry chip cake. I also have a slight minor, I guess we'll find out how minor, allergy to maraschino cherries. Shouldn't be an issue, right? Anyhow, this recipe is all in honor of the latest and final release in the Toronto Terrace series, If You Keep Me, from Helena Hunting. So this cherry chip cake was mentioned a number of times in If You Keep Me, and it is a favorite from Tally, and Trip is nothing if he's not going to indulge her in these things. So I figured today we'd make our own cherry chip cake to see what the fuss is about. I've already measured out some of these things because, well, this is meant for a very large cake. Originally made to serve 16 people, but that seems absurd. So I cut it in half. Have I always had success when cutting down recipes, multiplying recipes? Not particularly. Usually goes better when you like double it. It's fine. It'll be fine. If it's not fine, we'll also find out, I suppose. Let's see. Preheat the oven, done. Oh, does this not make me use a mixer? I love my stand mixer. I don't love cleaning my stand mixer. This just feels easier to me. This is something I will never stop talking about. It is my KitchenAid, like, cord-free mixer. You just charge it and go. It's amazing. It's my favorite thing in the world. In a large bowl, we're gonna cream the butter, sugar, and beat on medium until light and fluffy. 2-3 minutes. We can do that. Not that fast. Is this as light and fluffy as I think they want it? No, probably not. Is it as light and fluffy as it's gonna get? 100%. Add the egg whites, and vanilla. Mix well, stopping to scrape the bottom of the sides of the bowl. Okay, that looks less clumpy. Add the sour cream, cherry juice, and mix. Not appetizing. Someone please tell me in the comments why this is not the right choice to make. Are those clumps of butter? They might be clumps of butter. Add in the milk. Also, the cherry juice did not make it like as pink as I thought it would. I'm not sure if this is looking better or worse. Is this as light and fluffy as I think they want it? No, probably not. Is it as light and fluffy as it's gonna get? 100%. I'm gonna fill these two. Okay, we're at that point where I've stopped caring. That looks so chunky. My faith is minimal at best. Why are these bowls so heavy? Because they're made of glass. 24 to 26 minutes. I feel like that's a bad idea. I'm gonna check in at, something is telling me 14. And good day to you. Like cooked around the edges, but like that does not look appetizing. Oh. Am I gonna have to do a redemption? Am I gonna have to do the full recipe? Look how thin that is. Can you imagine? This is like 2 pancakes. Just, or do I get out cookie cutters and like stack it? My friend also recommended that I taste it to see if it's worth moving forward with. Which, unfortunately, I think he may be right. If I take it from the middle, I can't stack it. What is the answer here? What is the answer? I don't know. Where's my phone? I need to phone a friend. Okay, I think the only option is to try it and to see if, I guess I need to start over. This is such a weird way to do this, actually. What is wrong with me? Hello! So much. I can't actually decide. I think it's okay, just not very cherry. Although my tongue is feeling a little tingly. that may be the allergy kicking in. I think I need to start over. Maybe we'll do this tomorrow. Okay. Pinterest is for the girls. From here on out, I'm only trusting Pinterest with my recipes, I guess. So, I found another recipe. I was just gathering ingredients and I realized, we'll be unplugging the ice maker. I realized it only has one review and it's a 5-star review, which probably means it's from the author, but the pictures look great. The pictures look great. I did not pre-measure. I didn't do anything. We're just gonna do this together. I also just assumed it was $3.50. Make the cherry chip cake. Step 1. So I'm supposed to have 20. There's definitely weren't 20 because I used them yesterday. This is what's left over. It's what it is. Okay, pre-get oven to 350. We did it. Prepare 8x8 baking pan by lining it with parchment paper and set aside. Add sugar, 150 grams. Is 5 grams over too much? It'll be fine. I'm pretty sure this is what got us in trouble last time, is just saying it'll be fine, but a tablespoon of vanilla. Add half of the flour. Once mostly combined, stir them. Said add the cherry juice to the buttermilk. I don't know if the sound, the smell, or the look was the worst part. I'm not super pink, but that's okay. Is this just like a variation of a fruit cake? Okay, into the prepared pan, into the oven for 28 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys when that's out of the oven. To make the buttercream, taste vanilla, and I'm not adding almond extract because I'm allergic to almonds. What is it actually allergic to? I don't actually see how that's gonna get better. Also, I'm not convinced that the cherry juice did anything to like flavor it. I think it's more of a color agent. Mauve-y color. Sad. All right, we just need to frost and try it, really. All right, here is our cherry chip cake. Our inspired bake from If You Keep Me by Helena Hunting, which is out now, completing the Toronto Terror series. Oh, do not attack yourself with a fork. This will just, it's my cake, I made it. What are you gonna do about it? Do the internal crumb. Little bits of cherry. It's good. Yeah, I guess that's a cherry chip cake. Turned out better than our first try. So that's a win. I'll link the recipe I used down below. And you should go read the Toronto Terror series if you have not. These days, I'm only supporting fictional hockey men. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I need to go clean this up and take my dog for a walk. And then figure out what to do with my sourdough. Okay. Your inability to settle is driving me nuts. Now you're not going to look at me?